Premium roasted chana quality, just like the famous Chhattisgarh-style roasted chana, is now possible with our powerful chana roaster machine. Haryana Agriculture Industries brings you a high-performance chana roaster machine that produces premium quality roasted chana with excellent color, outstanding crunch, and perfectly uniform roasting. Using premium quality Anagiri chana sourced from Karnataka, widely regarded as one of the best varieties for roasting, our machine delivers exceptional roasted chana quality every time. This powerful machine has the capacity to roast approximately 2,000 kilograms of chana per hour, making it ideal for large-scale production. In addition, its operating and maintenance costs are remarkably low, helping make your production more profitable and cost-effective. And the best part? The machine can be heated using wood, oil, or a pellet burner, giving you complete flexibility based on your operational needs. Visit Haryana Agriculture Industries. You'll find a wide range of roaster machine options, live running demonstrations, and raw material support, all under one roof. We don't just provide machines. The company also offers complete guidance on roasted chana production, along with experienced machine operators to help you get started smoothly and efficiently. You can begin production with confidence and without unnecessary challenges. Haryana Agriculture Industries, trusted machines, premium quality production, and complete business support.